Okay, this is not a paid video. It's not sponsored. I bought this with my own money. I got the 6-book box from Atlas Rose, The Forbidden Dark Romance. And I did open the box already, so shame on me. The next one, I will not. I will save that. This canvas bag is so beautiful. Look at that. Look at so much stuff in there. I love it. That'll last a long time. Let's see. Got all kinds of stuff. Ink pen. This is a really pretty pen. Sticker. Who doesn't love stickers? Bookmarks for each of the books. Some more stickers. I did take the first 2 books out of the plastic. I know, shame on me. I couldn't wait. I just finished mine. Look at that. It's so pretty. I love hardback books. That's my bookmark. And it's autographed. But look at the pages. Oh my goodness, that's so pretty. And the page art. Look at that. Wow. So pretty. And then keychain. Who doesn't love keychains? Oh, so pretty. And it's got a good weight to it. Here's another pen. So tomorrow I'm going to be starting on hers. And we'll go ahead and take that out of the plastic. Maybe. If I can figure it out. Oh my goodness. Da-da-da. That's the 2nd book of the first trilogy. Okay, let's look. Oh, yep, autographed on that one. Okay, I don't like snakes. But that is pretty. Look at this side. Wow. So pretty. And there's the 3rd one. Okay, let's take this one out of the stick. And this one is the 3rd one of that trilogy. It's called Ours. The Blood Tie series. Let's see what the page art is in there. Another snake. Oh, God. Nice. I can't wait. It's so pretty. Okay, this is the 2nd trilogy owned. I love the flowers. Look at the flowers. So pretty. And that one is autographed as well. Let's see. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, look at that. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Whoa. That's saucy. Oh my goodness. Okay, here's the second one of that series called Traded. Let me take it out of the plastic. Maybe. Haha, there we go. Oh, look at that one too. That's so pretty. Okay, just in case there's spicy pictures. Well, that one's really pretty. That's gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. So pretty. Okay, here's the last one of that trilogy. And she just came out with a third trilogy. I'm going to order those too as well. That box I will not open until I'm able to video it. That one's signed. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah. So pretty. I love it. And there's all kinds of different cards in here. Let me see. And there's... It came with a... Okay, there's another sticker. Who doesn't love stickers, right? Okay, in the first series, okay, that's the main lady character, Rythe. Nick. Caleb. And Tobias. And then for the second trilogy, the main lady characters, Vivian, Colt, and London. That ought to be interesting. So, yeah, that is my unboxing of the trilogy series from A.K. Rose. I hope you all enjoyed this. If you would like to leave an encouraging comment, please do so. There will be more book box unboxings in the future. This was so neat. This was my first one. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you.